Hey, what's going on everyone? Welcome to the new episode of Top 10 Thursday. So in this video we'll be talking about the best TWS under the budget of 10,000 Indian rupees. So stay tuned and keep watching. My name is Sobik. Welcome to Phone Politics. Let's get started. So we are presenting this list in an unorganized manner. All of the TWS are better and unique in their respective way. It actually depends on you what you want to buy. So the number 10 TWS on our list is Oppo Enco Free. Oppo Enco Free is the company's first TWS earbuds in India. It nails the basics in terms of design and battery life. The overall sound quality is enjoyable. It harnesses Bluetooth 5.0 technology to connect to both the earbuds at the same time. It uses a capacitive touch control chip to make the outer surface act as a navigation pad for all music controls. To control the media, you can tap and swipe. On a single charge, the earbuds will last up to 5 hours, and with the included case, it will last up to 20 hours. The Oppo Enco Free is priced at 7,990 rupees and comes in 3 color variant: white, black and pink. It is available on Flipkart. The number 9 TWS on our list is Lippertech TEVAI. One of the newest entries to the TWS segment, Lippertech TEVAI is one of the best value for money TWS currently available in India. It offers a neutral audiophile-like sound and comes in field-safe charging case. It harnesses Bluetooth 5.0 and comes with IPX7 water-resistant rating to protect the buds from rain and sweat. The Lippertech TEVAI features a 6mm graphene driver with SBC, AAC and aptX codes, offering some of the most natural and well-balanced audio we have seen from a pair of earphones in recent times. It offers up to 10 hours of battery life in the buds and a further 6 full recharges housed in the case. The next TWS on our list is Samsung Galaxy Buds. Samsung is not a new player in the world. In fact, they had launched the Gear Icon X even before Apple's AirPods. The Samsung Galaxy Buds were introduced last year alongside with S10 series. If you own an Android phone, the Galaxy Buds offer easy connectivity, a comfortable fit, and a warm and bassy sound. If you don't, then you may miss out some of the cool extra features offered by Samsung Galaxy wearable app. The touch controls can be used to play and pause your music, skip tracks, answer and end calls, and launch Samsung's voice assistant Bixby on compatible devices. Priced at 9,990 rupees, the Galaxy Earbud is available in white or black color option on Flipkart. The next TWS on our list is Sony WF-XB700. Sony is the latest company to announce its TWS in India. The WF-XB700 comes under the Extra Bass series, so you can expect deep and punchy bass. It features a 12mm driver unit and harness Bluetooth 5.0 and 12mm drivers. You can get punchy, thumpy and deep bass with this pair of earbuds. On the battery front, you get 9 hours of playback with an additional 9 hours with the case. You can charge the case via USB Type-C. These are IPX4 rated. You can get protection against the water splash and sweat. It comes with buttons on each bud, which can be used to play and pause or skip through tracks and adjust the volume. You also get a mic for voice calls and voice assistant. The next TWS on our list is Skullcandy Push. For those who prefer physical controls over the touch controls, Skullcandy Push comes with a physical button on each earbud. It can be used to control music playback, volume, and your phone's voice assistant. They have an extremely warm sound signature with bass overwhelming everything else, vocals and high arch buried under bloated bass. It offers up to 6 hours of battery life on a single charge, and the case offers additional 6 hours. The Skullcandy Push is priced at 8,599 and is available on Flipkart. It comes in green and black combo. The next TWS on our list is Jabra Elite 65T. Initially launched for the price of 12,999, the Jabra Elite 65T is now available at 8,999. It brings a perfect balance of usability, features and sound quality. It offers a reliable connection and is pleasure to use day to day. Also, you can get a good battery life with up to 5 hours on a single charge, and the case is good for an additional 10 hours. Further, the Jabra Elite 65T offers good noise isolation, and you can also adjust ambient noise when you want to. The earbuds automatically turn on when removed from the case and turn themselves off when placed back in the charging case. You can use one earbud at a time through the right earbud acts as the master, and overall sound quality is excellent. It's balanced. It also comes with app support. The next TWS on our list is One More Stylish. Priced at 6,999, the One More Stylish true wireless earbuds harness Bluetooth 5.04 connectivity. They also comes with a custom LTS antenna to ensure a smooth connection. The earbuds offers about 6 hours of battery on a single charge, and they also support fast charging. You can get about 3 hours of usage in just 15 minutes of charge. They features a 7mm dynamic driver. The One More Stylish earbuds are available on Flipkart in gold, green and black color options. The next TWS on our list is JBL Free X. Just like the Skull Candy, the JBL Free also comes with a physical control button on the earbuds. The button can be used to control media, pick and reject call and launch the assistant. It also comes with two modes, mono mode and stereo mode, and will automatically switch between the two modes. It offers up to 2 hours of battery life on a single charge, and with the charging case you will get additional 20 hours. Also, it features a cool LED ring around the earbuds. The JBL Free TWS earbuds don't come with fins or wings. They come with 3 different interchangeable ear tips, S, M and L. Priced at 8,599 rupees, the JBL Free X is available on Flipkart in black and white color options. The next TWS on our list is Soundpeats True Wireless Earbuds. Soundpeats True Wireless Earbuds have built-in high-quality mic for both earbuds with noise isolation technology. The lightweight charging case is not only a charging dock to charge the earbuds but also a carrying case. It supports working of two devices separately in mono mode or used together as pair in stereo mode. It is compatible with all Bluetooth devices above 4.2, which allow stable connectivity and smooth transmission in high speed and long distance with low consumption. It is equipped with multi-size ear tips for comfortable, secure and snug fit. This is currently available at the price of 5,500 Indian rupees. The next TWS on our list is Nokia BH705. Nokia BH705 has ultra lightweight design with portable charging case and high quality audio. It is sweat-proof and splash-proof that makes it good choice during workouts and trekking. It provides an easy connection using Bluetooth 5.0. In a single charge, Nokia BH705 will give you a 5 hours of battery life, and with the charging case you will get additional 10 hours of battery life. These earbuds are currently available at 6,200 Indian rupees. So that is the list, guys. Please let me know your thoughts about these TWS in the comment section below. If you find this video useful, then don't forget to hit the like button and please support us by subscribing to Phone Politics. Also follow us on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook. The links are in the description. So see you guys in the next video. Peace out.